Seated or lying, make yourself comfortable. Uncross your legs. Try to keep your back straight. Have your hands loosely at your side or on your lap. As you breathe in and out, you're going to allow your body to relax. Breathe in and out, allow your body to relax. Relax. Breathe in and out and relax. The earth beneath your feet, beneath your body, sends the warmth of her energy up through the soles of your feet, and it pours into your legs, into your torso, into your arms and your hands, into your neck and head. She fills you with the warmth of her energy, a coppery pink energy. Above you is a bright disk of light, a golden yellow light, vibrant and bright like the sun. It flows into your head and shoulders. Moving down your arms into your hands. Flooding your body and your legs, your feet. And coming out of your feet into the earth. Above you is a disc, a white silvery disc. The silver of the moon, reflecting the light of the sun, influencing the water on the earth, the tides and the waves, the water within our body, and our fluid emotions. The silver light of the moon showers down onto you, covering every part of your body. It flows through you, through your cells, and comes out the other side. Flowing around you, filling you, and cocooning you, encasing you in a bubble of her silvery light. In front of you is a golden yellow door with a green handle. Take the handle and step through the door. You are on a beautiful beach and the sun is about to rise. Go down to the beach line and lie down on the sand, listening to the waves lapping against you. The sun starts to rise. Brilliant reds, red rays of light pour down onto you, onto your feet and legs, onto your body, your head, arms and hands. The red light of the sun rising fills your body. As the sun rises some more, vibrant oranges shine down upon you. They shine on your legs and your feet, your body, arms, hands and head. Vibrant orange fills every single part of your body. A golden yellow sun, inches above the horizon, illuminating the yellow sand around you. The sand shines and glistens in this new dawn, this new light. Yellow pours into your body from above, from the sun, from below, from the sand. It is warm and it fills your body with this yellow glow. Light pours through the green vegetation surrounding you. Green light of the lush vegetation covers your body, your head, your arms and hands, your torso, legs and feet are filled with the lush colour green. Pink blossoms from the flowers above fall down onto you until you are covered in a soft pink cocoon of gentle petals. Their pink colour moves into your body, filling every single part of you with their delicate pink light. The petals blow away and you look up at the sky, a vibrant blue sky. The blue light of the sky comes down and covers your body, fills your body, your torso, arms and hands, legs and feet, and your head are all filled with this cooling blue of the sky. The sun starts to set behind the trees, and a deep indigo settles around you as the night approaches. This cooling blue indigo fills your body, your arms and your hands, torso, legs and feet, and your head fill with a deep indigo. As the sun sets, the sky is filled with vibrant purples, pinky purples, blue purples. These purples fall upon you and fill every part of your body. Your head, neck, arms, hands, torso, legs and feet are purple, deep purple, as the sun finally sets and the night sky shines above you. You feel the warmth of the waves lapping against your feet. They fall over your legs and your torso. An aquamarine of the ocean covers your arms and your head. You are immersed in the aquamarine of the ocean. You feel safe, cleansed by this aquamarine. Gradually, the waters leave you to go back to the ocean. Looking up into the night sky, you notice a star, a bright star moving down towards you. It settles above your head on the beach. Between your legs by your feet is a pink shell, a spiral shell, a gift of the ocean and the earth. Light comes from the shell, moving up towards the star, up your body, up your spine, through the top of your head to the star. The star sends a beam of light, of starlight, down through your head, down your spine, out your body, into the shell. Your yellow door with a green handle appears beside you. Sitting up, standing up, you take the handle and step through back into this reality, back into the place where you started this meditation. You feel your body present on the earth, pressing into the floor, clothes touching your skin. Sounds of the environment reach your ears. You feel your breath, your chest rising and falling, your heart beating as you become fully present, here and now. To ground yourself, imagine roots stretching from your feet deep into the earth, deep into the core of the earth. Welcome back. If you still feel a little lightheaded, I suggest you tug lightly at your earlobes and place your hands on the floor to ground yourself a bit more. If you have water to hand, have a drink, and this will also help.